How you can turn off your professional account on Instagram. In order to do that, you need to go to your Instagram first, and then once this page is loaded, you need to go to your own profile section by tapping on the lower right icon. After you've reached here, you need to tap on the three lines on the top right corner of this page, and then your next step will be to go to settings. Following settings, we have privacy, which we can see right here. So in privacy, we can just scroll down a bit and then take a look whether you have the option to turn off your professional account or not. If the option is not here, we need to go one step back and then go to the option of account. Over here, you need directly go towards the end and then tap on switch account type. Now, whether you want to switch to a business account or to a professional account, since this video is made to switch towards a personal account, we'll be tapping on the option of switch to personal account. And then while we're switching to a personal account, the in-apps insight will be turned off and insights from all your content, including your ads, will be permanently removed. You'll also lose access to Meta Business tools such as Meta Business Suite and Ads Manager. Now, if you want to switch to personal account by agreeing to it, you need to tap on the first option, which is switch to personal account, and by following these simple steps, you will be turning off your professional account on Instagram.